Welcome, in front of me is Metal Gear Solid Delta Snake Eater, and in this video I will show you how to change the scope or first person view camera sensitivity. So in order to do this, you're gonna have to go to options, which you can achieve either by starting the game or just by pressing escape and selecting options, and in options go to controls. In controls, just move this slider either to the right if you want to increase the sensitivity or to the left to decrease it. The default value is 1. To apply changes, simply go back by pressing escape or right clicking your mouse, and the changes will be applied automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.